Hi guys! Join me again for another quick house tour. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng murang house and lot within Metro Manila, the best na mga offer ko sa iyo itong aming brand new 2-story townhouse unit. Dito lang yan sa Maligaya Park Subdivision, Novaliches, Quezon City. At dahil nasa Metro Manila lang ito, very accessible at malapit lang ito sa SM Fairview, Ayala Malls, Robinsons, and MRT 7 station. For only 20% na down payment, malilipatan mo na at 29K monthly lang, meron ka ng malawak at maaliwalas na living and dining area at complete finish turnover pa, kaya naman gamit ikaw at pamilya mo na lang ang kulang. And punta naman tayo sa ating napakagandang kitchen area na complete finish at complete fittings na rin plus modular cabinets. Para sa ating countertop, naka-granite tiles na rin po tayo and meron na rin tayong stainless sink and faucet. Meron din tayong window for air ventilation. And upon turnover of this unit, ready na rin ang ating mga outlets and switches. Here naman ang iyong laundry area na another ventilation na rin. And also, complete finish na rin ng aming common toilet and bath sa ating first floor that comes with complete bathroom fixtures. Then, punta naman tayo sa ating second floor. Meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. And dito sa ating stairs, made of wood planks finish and cement. And metal naman para sa ating handrails. And sa ating second floor, napaka-aliwalas din. Gumamit tayo dito ng 40x40 ceramic tiles wood design. Kaya naman napaka-aesthetic tignan. Again, since complete finish ang ating turnover, naka-ready na ang ating outlets, sockets, switch, meron na rin tayong window na magandang source of natural light and ventilation. And the total lot area of this unit is 50 square meter and the total developed area naman is 93 square meter. Para naman sa ating computation, the total amount of this unit is 4,800,000 and 20% na down payment 960,000, reservation fee 30,000 na deductible sa ating down payment, and then the loanable amount is 3,840,000 na loanable via bank financing and in-house financing. Para sa ating bank financing, maximum of 20 years, 29,771, and then sa in-house financing, maximum of 15 years, 54,744 pesos. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara, usap tayo. By the way, I'm Vivian, your real estate salesperson from Modern Home PH. For more details or pre-site viewing assistance, i-message mo lang ako sa akin different social media account. And also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modern Home PH. Link in my bio. See you sa aking susunod na video. Bye!